Hi guys, so today we are going to be cleaning the drivetrain of my bike. I'm using very simple tools. The tools are kerosene, some spare brushes, a toothbrush, normal brush, and a simple can, which we will be using it to clean the drivetrain. So as you see, I have taken so much of kerosene. Oh, kerosene is not available, but then we had it. I don't know from where, but we did have it, and I'm going to be making the most of it. This is another brush of Zephan. I got it from a nearby bicycle store, and just got one more feature in this, which can be locked with this lock. You have to just press it and it goes back in. So to begin with, we'll start with our degreasing of the drivetrain. It sounds sweet, isn't it? Just applying this part liberally. I'm doing the same for the chain. So moving the chain, applying it from the inner side, and then applying it from the outer side. From the top, and from inside. So you have a lot of ways of doing it, but I'm showing you something which I'm doing it with my own knowledge and understanding. It is very much a mechanical device, unless your chain is needing a complete overhaul, as in changing of a chain, which is what I go to my trusted mechanic, or bike technician as what they are called, and they are really very good at that job. So do a good scrub. You can use diesel. Oh yeah, shit, what am I talking about? It's not kerosene, it is diesel. Yes, I remember. I have a diesel car, so we were traveling out of station, so we thought of carrying extra fuel just in case. You see the grime coming out? Yes. Ideally speaking, please have a newspaper downstairs under the wheel so that you don't spoil your floor. I am spoiling it, and I'm going to be paying for it heavily. That is before my wife comes. So as you see, it is getting cleaner and cleaner. Yeah, this diesel really does work, man. This spinner, oh more. Make it a point to clean the drivetrain every 3 months, if your riding is heavy. Now what do you define heavy riding as? So say on an average, if you're doing daily, if you're averaging about 50 kilometers every third day, twice a week, then that should be enough. Or if you're the more adventurous guy and want to do 100 kilometers a day, which a number of them do, well, you would probably have to do it more frequently. Good scrub, you see all the grime coming out. Diesel really works. Be careful not to scrub the brush against your color, because you will scratch your bike. I'm sure we all love our bikes. Enough to take care of it. Having done that, take a dry cloth, hold your chain, move it. Make sure the chain doesn't rub the front derailleur, because it will wear off the chain all the more. Give it a good spin. There you are. Yikes. Sounds sweet, doesn't she? Yes, yes, yes. So you can use the other products whichever are there in the market, necessarily speaking your muck off. You can also use, I know some few people who use WD-40. And they seem to be pretty happy with it. I haven't tried it though. I haven't tried WD-40, but typically a guy like me gives this bike to my technician or bike technician, who incidentally is out of town now, so I'm left with no other option but to do it by myself. And so use a toothbrush to nicely clean this. It should look nice and clean and shiny. There's a slack in this which I will do it when my technician